It was a quiet night, and a cute little cat walked into a silent room. Suddenly, ding! A strange sound echoed. The cat froze and noticed a mysterious glowing box on the table. Curious but scared, she slowly opened it, and a tiny toy mouse jumped out. Before the cat could react, the mouse spoke, "Don't touch me!" In an instant, the room transformed into a magical world filled with lights and stars. The cat began floating in the air as the mouse laughed and pressed a button. Suddenly, the cat turned into a clumsy superhero with a shiny cape. She tried to fly, but boing, hit a cloud and spun around. Before she could recover, a giant robot vacuum appeared and chased her. The cat ran, jumped, and slid to escape. "Use your power," the mouse shouted. The cat fired a rainbow laser, and the robot froze, then turned into a balloon and floated away. Everything returned to normal. The box closed itself again. Ding! The cat smiled and wondered, "Should I open it again?"